Good day, children! Today, we are going to read a story with an ant family words. Are you excited? Very good! But before that, let us name the following pictures. Are you ready? Let's start! Can you name the picture? Very good! A black bat. Next. Yes, this is a cat. Next. Correct, a fat man. Next. Very good, a black hat. Next. Very good, mat. Next. Very good. This is a boy named Pat. Next. Yes, this is a rat. Next. Very good. A girl sat on a chair. These are words from ant family. Let's read it again, children. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, and sat. Well done, children. And now, let's start to read the story. This is a story about Pat and his pet. Pat has a pet. Now, it's your turn to read. Very good. Pat has a pet. His pet is a cat. Repeat, children. Very good. His pet is a cat. The cat is fat. Children, your turn to read. Very good. The cat is fat. Pat has a hat. Now, it's your turn to read. Very good. Pat has a hat. The hat is black. Repeat, children. Very good. The hat is black. Pat plays with his pet. Children, your turn to read. Plays with his pet. The cat saw a rat. Now, it's your turn to read. Very good. The cat saw a rat. The rat hid in the hat. Children, your turn to read. Did not found the rat. Your turn to read. Very good. The cat did not found the rat. The fat cat sat on the mat. Children, your turn to read. Plays with the cat. Very good. Pat plays with the cat. Who saw the rat? Very good. The cat saw the rat. Why did the rat hide in the hat? Very good. Because the cat might eat the rat. Which is bigger, the cat or the rat? Very good. The cat is bigger than the rat. The last question is, if you were Pat, would you play with your pet too? Why? I understand that your answer might differ, but always bear in mind that our pet needs our love and cares too. That's all for today, and I hope that you enjoyed our lesson for today. Children, now that you've learned from our today's video, don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button. See you in the next videos!